Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve an interesting math problem, that is 1 by x plus 1 by y equal 1 by 21, and we have to find the value of x plus y. So let's start with today's video solution. So this 1 by x plus 1 by y equal 1 by 21. If I'll take the LCM, so it is xy, and when we multiply x with x, y and check, so here y and here x equal 1 by 21. Now I'm doing cross multiplication, so 21 times y plus x equal xy, so it becomes 21y plus 21x equal xy. Take the all terms together, so xy minus 21x minus 21y equals 0. We can write it like this. Now I'm going to add and subtract 441 to this. Now xy minus 21x minus 21y plus 441. Take this negative 441 to other side. Now from first two term, if I'll take x as common, so y minus 21, and from next two term, if I'll take 21 as common, so y minus 21 equal 441. So now I can take y minus 21 as common. So x minus 21 equal 441. Now y minus 21 times x minus 21 equal 441. We can write it as 441 times 1, 1 times 441, and 21 times 21. That means we have three possible cases. So let's start with case 1. When y minus 21 times x minus 21 equal 441 times 1. So in this case, y minus 21, the first bracket is equals to 441. Y equal 441 plus 21. So y equal 462. Now in this case, if x minus 21 equal 1, x is equals to 1 plus 21, so x is 22. Now comes to case second. Y minus 21 times x minus 21 equal 1 times 441. So y minus 21 equal 1. So y is equals to 1 plus 21. Y is equals to 22. X minus 21 equal 441. X equal 441 plus 21. X equal 462. Now case 3. Y minus 21 times x minus 21 equal 21 times 21. So y minus 21 equal 21. Y is equals to 21 times 21. 21 plus 21, sorry. So y is equals to 42. And x minus 21 equal 21. X equal 21 plus 21. X equal 42. Now we have to find the value of x plus y in each case. So case 1 is x plus y 462 plus 22, which is equals to 484. Case second, x plus y 22 plus 462, again 484. And case third, x plus y 42 plus 42, which is equals to 84. So these are the three possible or two possible values you can say. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.